How to fix Rednote not logging in. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to fix Rednote not logging in. So now let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Another step, make sure that your Rednote app is updated to the latest version. Go to your App Store and check for any updates. If you see any updates, click on Update and it may fix the problem. Another step is, if you are on Android, go to your phone's settings. Now locate Rednote app. Now scroll down and tap on Storage and clear the cache. Again, another step is reset the password. If you have forgotten your password, tap Forget Password on the login screen and follow the instruction to reset it. If none of the steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. So that's it. One of these steps should help you log back into Rednote. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.